severe thunderstorm warning for central Pottawattomie County in central Oklahoma until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tribby, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tecumseh, Maud, Earlsboro, Tribby, Street, Lewis, Brooksville, Macomb, Harjo, and Trousdale. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flood watch now in effect through Thursday morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of Oklahoma and northern Texas, including